I am Casey Bryan from Grand Crew Digital, and today I just wanted to take you through how you can create an AI traffic report in GA4 super quickly, so you can see what sort of traffic's coming to your website from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, all those AI tools, and what pages they are viewing on your website. So let's get stuck in. Okay, so once you log into your Google Analytics account, if you just come over to the report section and come into your traffic acquisition report, what we're going to do is use this report as a base report, so basically create a copy of it and customize it. So what you want to do is you want to hit the little pencil up in the right hand corner to customize the report, and then we jump into it. So for your primary dimension, I would recommend you set the session source as the default, and then just click apply in the bottom right hand corner. Next, for the metrics, which are these ones up here, so sessions, engaged sessions, engagement rate, etc. You can leave them as is, but I do like to change them to what suits me and what I want to know about this website. So for example, this website isn't e-commerce, so there's no point having total revenue. I do like to add in views, so page views, and I also like to know total users as well. And I'm going to leave the rest like that. So I'm just going to click apply, and you'll see that will update the data showing. Now, next is the key to creating this AI traffic report, and it is setting a filter. So you want to choose the dimension session source, and the match type should be matches regex. And then what you will see in the blog post that I've posted, and I'll post it at the bottom of this video as well, there is a value that you can just pop in there. This may change over time depending on if more AI tools come into the market and that sort of thing. But for the moment, I'm just at the end of May 2025. This one covers the majority of AI tools sending traffic to websites. So just click apply, and you'll see already from that you then get everything is then filtered. The next thing I like to do is I like to add in what pages are getting hits. And to do that, you can just click on the little plus here by session source. And if you search for landing page, you can pop that in there. And there you go. So that is what I like to do for my AI traffic reports in GA4. Next, I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to save it as a new report, so I'm not saving over that traffic acquisition report. And I am going to call it AI traffic. You can obviously set it, call it whatever you want. And what I'm doing is I'm popping that regex in there, and then I'm just going to put May 2025 so I know when I set it, as I may update it down the track. Just click on save. And now what I want to do is I want to make that report as easily accessible as possible. So I am going to open this menu here, and I want to pop it in acquisition here. So I'm just going to go to the library down the bottom, and life cycle is where that acquisition section is. So I'm just going to hit those three dots, click on edit, and within the search function here, I'm going to search for my AI traffic report. I'm simply just going to drag it over to where I want it to sit so I can access it easily. I'm just going to click save, and I'm going to save changes to current collection, so I'm not creating a new one. And hit back. And I should find it now in my acquisition menu here. Now, If you want to take things up a notch as well, if you're not seeing much data firstly in this report, maybe extend the date range to say 12 months, and you should hopefully see a little bit more data in there. If you want to, say, view your AI traffic by device or by country, anything like that, you can easily do. Just hit the X here and then hit that plus and say I want to know by device category. I can pop that in here and see that. The difference there. I could change that and say I want to do it by country. I can pop that in, and so there's so many ways that you can further delve into this data and really see what is coming to your website. So I hope this has helped. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment or feel free to contact me directly through my website, grandcreedigital.com.au. Cheers.